Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Today I will be taking you one-on-one a very simple tutorial how to withdraw cash from Payoneer. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. We can see this is the payout summary. We can see payment of the amount, the transaction ID, the beneficiary, and the transaction history. We can see everything. So what we'll be doing, we will come here and say withdraw. That is the very first step. The very first step, ensure your Payoneer has a balance. Then we will come here and see that what the amount that we are withdrawing, withdraw details, withdraw to personal bank. We'll come here and say current balance in USD is 194. We are fetching balance from USD to my local bank account. In the tutorial I've shown how to attach a local bank account. So my local bank account is Cooperative Bank of Kenya. So here we'll come and see the minimum withdrawal amount is $50 US. We'll be withdrawing $187. Then it will calculate the amount to deposit. Exchange rate is they are exchanging at 106.03 Kenya shillings, including the Payoneer conversion fee. Then we will describe for them a letter. It is important to write description. It's optional, but in case of a dispute, you will be able to get why this transaction is being made. Donation on a collective patient who is registered with persons with disability. We'll come and review. Then once we come and review, we'll be able to say the description. You can see it. You can see the amount being withdrawn. Payoneer happens to be very safe. For you to complete the step, you have to enter the verification code in the description link, and also in my YouTube channel. You will find I have tutorials how to put this security guide, such that nobody, even if my password leaked, it means nobody would withdraw my cash until, because I would have seen the code sent to my phone number. This is very safe. Ensure you follow up my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Ensure you'll be able to follow in the description link a video on how to enable two-step verification. We'll be submitting because it has been sent to my phone number. It tells me your funds are on the way. This is very awesome. It is the draw to my bank account. Your funds are on the way. The transaction number. It tells me we will send a confirmation email shortly. Check that the email for details when the funds will reach to your bank account. The bank account that is being they will be sending this cash to my bank account. The attached bank account is here. You can see this bank account for withdrawal. You ensure that you have attached your local bank account. It is approved. That is the only way that once you withdraw cash from Payoneer, you will be able to get it directly. Another thing that you need to be familiar with Payoneer. Ensure you use in the description link. I have a code. I have a referral code. Once you sign up with this referral code, you will earn yourself $25 US upon successful registering. We can see refer a friend, earn $25 when you refer a friend. I have five friends who have joined. In the description link, you will find my link. Ensure you use it to register for Payoneer, and you'll earn yourself. The person who has registered will, after a friend signs up, they will earn $25 US as a reward upon a friend signing up. Once a friend, you're the one. If you use my link, which is in the description link, and successfully register, you'll earn yourself $25 US. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. Lifestyle Tutorials. In case you need to reach me out, go in the description link. You will find my WhatsApp number. You also you'll be able to contact me and I'll be able to assist you through my official Gmail account, njogukarongo@gmail.com.